Oh my word. The hair is like extra big today. Showing off my 80s kid vibes. Yes, I'm an 80s kid. None of this, no, no, no. You were born in 1980, so you're barely an 80s kid. I was born in 1980. I was born on 1980. I remember when the TV used to cut off at night. 12 o'clock midnight, that sucker would play the national anthem and it would go to snow and was like, go to bed. To go to the library to go to get books. There was a card catalog. Do y'all remember the card catalog? Oh my word, y'all remember microfiche? Like you had to like, if you needed to look up a newspaper article, you had to like do the little thing with the big screen and have to go through all the things. Lord mercy. There's no internet. We had like 3 channels. Had to go outside all the time. Then when the locusts came, I'm still traumatized from that. Oh my word. Do y'all have locusts yet? Oh my gosh. Comment down below and tell me if you have locusts where you are. It's ridiculous. Why is the dog barking? Oh my gosh. Acer. Probably riling them up. I don't even know what they're doing. That dog barks for everything. We have this poor rabbit in our backyard. And he'll just be out the back door just barking away. And I'm going on so many doggone rabbit trails. It's absolutely ridiculous. I'm never gonna get this done. Kids today, man, they don't even know. Don't even know. But it was the best. It was like, we didn't have anything, but it was so much fun. I wouldn't give up being an 80s kid for nothing. I kid you not. 80s and 90s, I swear, a couple of the best decades ever. Yeah, we had to go outside. Yeah, we didn't have a lot of TV. Yeah, we didn't have video games yet. Well, we had an Atari. But Atari was just a stupid bing, 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 bing game, you know, with the tennis. The little bing, bing, and Tron. Did we have Tron? Or did we have, what's his name? And Saturday morning cartoons. Y'all cannot tell me that when you got up on Saturday at 6 a.m. to turn them Saturday morning cartoons with Hanna-Barbera, man. He had He-Man, She-Ra, Voltron. Oh my gosh, Transformers. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Yeah. And then in the 90s, you had like TGIF on Fridays where you had like that little 2-hour slot Friday evening. On Friday evening, it was TGIF and it had like, did I do that? That kid. Who was that? Tag on. He played Steve Urkel, Family Matters. It was Family Matters. It was Perfect Strangers. It was Tim the Toolman Taylor, Home Improvement. It was dinosaurs. There was like a couple of things that went through during TGIF. But oh my word, Friday nights. That's really sad that my Friday night consisted of TGIF. But you know what? Like I said, 80s and 90s kid, man. Where my 80s and 90s kids at? Post in the comments. 80s and 90s kids, come on. Love you. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. We're here. We're here. We're here. And we're not even talking about cups right now. I'm just talking to you guys like I would a regular person. I'm literally sitting in my bedroom talking to myself. Welcome to the life that is me, Vanessa, VMD Designs. Welcome. Anyways, I'm a goof. If you didn't know it already, you know it now. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you guys make beautiful tumblers, continue to sparkle 24/7, and I will see you again next time. Bye.